This is how it's supposed to be looking. See that? All the LEDs is on. All that shit is on. That's how it's supposed to look. What up, what up, what up? Those who don't know me, man, I'm a Nissan guy. So this channel is all about Nissans, cause I was just born in this Nissan life, man. This Nissan's everywhere. If you come on my block, all you see is Nissan. So I'm that guy to talk to. But anyways, today I'm about to work on this Altima. I'm gonna show you how to remove this wing and change the LEDs, cause the LEDs looking like shit. You see that? Look, oh no, hold on. Let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks right here. Bam. Shit ugly, man. Shit ugly. I know some people think this wing is like stuck on there and never come off, but it's just a few screws and there's some tape on there. I'm gonna show you. All you need is a flathead and 10 mil socket, deep socket. If you have one, there will be well, there will be something here in the way. You have to remove that first before you get to here. Take that shit off, all them clips, all those bolts, all that off. Then you see this connector right here. This is for the third brake light. And you see a screw here. So you can see that screw here. One right there and one right there. Bam. So take those off. You're gonna need a magnet to take the bolt. If it didn't fall there, this one fell. That one fell, so that's a loss. I mean, I have a lot of those. So like this one, look at this one. You see how it's like that? You gotta put the magnet in there and try to get it. If the magnet fit, there you go. I got it. Bam. So I'm gonna need another one for the other side, because that one fell. That one definitely fell somewhere. But then I take this out the hole. You gotta push this in. Wait, hold on, let's take the top off. Then take your flathead, go in between the wing and the trunk, and just try to pull up on it. You see that? It's gonna be a little hard. So if you're not trying to scratch your paint, put like a microfiber cloth, any cloth in there. Try to do it, or a piece of cardboard. Do that, and just go in there like this. Go up. That. I got another flathead. Do the top one. Let's go back and forth. So pull this. Pull this up, and after that, pull the next one in front, pull it up. This one in front of that, pull it up. This one in front of that, pull it up. And you get it. Back and forth, back and forth. Then do the same thing for the bottom over here. Stick them in there. Do the same thing for the bottom. Poke it out. To pop it up. Same thing. And it should pop off. Alright, now it should pull off. See that grommet? We should take that grommet out. Push it in there. See this grommet right here. Push it in there. Alright. Now pull up on it. Should come out. There you go. Done deal. Now there's this bolt that comes out of here, out the third brake light. You gotta take out. It's like 11. It's 11 mil. I thought it was 10, but it's 11. Shit's weird. But take that out. When you take both of those out, take your flathead and pry this out. Should come out. soon you get that shit out, this is how it looks. The ends broke off. It been there too long. Been there so long, it broke off. You see that shit? Yeah, that shit sucks. But yeah, but it's out. Okay, now if you want to put the shit back in there, I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna put it back, but I'm gonna show you how you do it. You put it the same way you took it out. The grommet is gonna be the problem. Put the plug in first. So you see it right there. Okay, pull on it. Should be easier. The grommet. Pull on it. To the grommet comes right back in. It's like that, bam. Alright. Alright, wasn't that bad. Yeah, but as soon as you do that, put this shit back in there. Press it in. Just press it in there. Yeah, should be just like that. Yep, flat like that. Put your two screws in. Don't forget those. You don't want to hit a bump and that shit just falls out. But it's not gonna fall, but you know what I mean. It's gonna be loose. But yeah, put your two bolts. And that's it. It should be done. I would take this tape right here. It's two-sided tape. Like try your best to take this off. This whole thing off. Scrape it off with a blade or something. Scrape it off and put a new one. Cause like this, you could put the bolts back on, but it's not gonna, it's not gonna look right. It's gonna have a gap between the trunk and this shit. But yeah, but try your best to take this off best as you can. And put a new 3M tape on there. And same thing with the trunk. Same thing with the trunk. Yeah, same thing with the trunk. Take this off. Take that off with a blade. The whole thing off. And yeah. You need to put the tape on here. Just put it on that one. It'll be easier and faster. Just put it in the wing and just put your screws in the holes. Match up the holes. Put the bolts on and tighten them down. It should be it. It should be alright. I mean, unless you want to do a wing delete, you want to delete it. Put some Bondo on here. Bondo, and just paint the hood. I mean the trunk. You could do that too if you want. If you're not just changing the LED. Yep, that is all. See, if you don't put that tape on there, he's gonna have this gap right here, just like that. If you just put the screw on and don't put the tape, see, there's tape in the corner here that you should put there, so it stays flat like that. So your choice if you want to put the tape or not. I would heat up around the wing with a heat gun, cause it's type hard to take that shit off. If you're trying to do it clean, I will heat around the wing first and try to peel it off slowly if you want something clean. Because if you're keeping the trunk fresh, you should do that. If you don't care about it like me, because it's a junk car, I would just do whatever it takes to get shit off. But if you're trying to just change the LED on there, do that shit clean, man. Heat around the wing, you know what I'm saying? Heat around it, then try to take it off with the flathead slow. Use a cardboard, cloth, towel, whatever you can to make that shit clean. Because if you want scratches on that, I know you cried, you have some scratches on there. But anyway, if you have any questions, man, already know, man. Comment below. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, man. I got more coming later.